There's no doubt that technological advancements, especially the internet, has made the world a better place. Social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter have made the world a global village where online social interactions occur. We can now have friends in nations we've never been to and may never visit. It also provides endless opportunities for trading and business expansion. Therefore, social media is indeed a blessing for interpersonal and professional relationships. Nonetheless, this blessing is a curse for many people. Social media is an evil. However, its abuse, just like medications, can be disastrous. Many people are battling social media addiction today, such that they are anxious when they don't have access to their phones. Some people cannot imagine not using their phones for a day. Meanwhile, social media platforms are full of disturbing content that affects people's mental health. So, it's vital that you've control over your social media use. What you need is a social media detox. Unfortunately, many people that would have loved to regulate their social media use don't know how to execute this plan. If you're one such person, you're reading the right material. This video course is a complete guide that explains social media addiction, its ills, and how to control it. Therefore, you need to pay attention to every video while watching because this video course has the potential to be life-changing. You'll find quality information that'll enable you to disconnect to reconnect. Are you ready to get your life on track? Here you go.